Guys, Brian back with the Vechain Vet token update. It's been a little bit since I did a Vechain video. I've been trying to wait till some price movement happened here, and we've just been going sideways here since the 4th, just in this little area here. So this is on the 4-hour charts, and we'll get back into this chart. I'm going to show you some price targets that we put up that we hit, and see where we're going to go from here. All right, so if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so very much, and let's get into this here. All right, this is the top crypto news out there today. They have a sting operation to catch North Korean crypto hackers. Sushi Dex approval contract exploited for 3.3 million. Why crypto is watching Ethereum blockchain Shanghai upgrade. If you're not familiar with the Shanghai upgrade, that's going to allow Ethereum stakeholders to take their ETH out of long-term staking. So they're worried that that could create 2.4 billion in selling pressure to Ethereum, which I don't know what you guys think, but me myself, I don't think that's going to create a lot of selling pressure on Ethereum. I think Ethereum's at a a buying price right now, not a selling price. So I don't think that's going to have any major thing to do with the upgrade here. But it says Australia ends Binance derivatives license, which means you can no longer trade derivatives now in Australia on Binance, and Binance is struggling to secure a banking partner amid regulatory crackdown. So that's your biggest articles out today. Mostly they're talking about Ethereum, the Shanghai upgrade. That's what's going on today. Here we go with a Vechain article here, which I want to show you guys. It says the top 3 cryptos with long-term potential. Vechain, Ripple, and Collateral Network. All right, not real familiar with Colt, but Vechain and Ripple, absolutely 2 great projects. It says here, cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular in recent years, with a growing number of investors and traders looking to capitalize on the opportunities presented by this emerging asset class. While Bitcoin and ETH have dominated the market for years, many promising altcoins have the potential to deliver impressive returns in the long run. In this article, we'll explore 3 of the top cryptos with early promise: Vechain, Ripple, and Collateral Network, which is notably set for 35x gains. Geez, Vechain is at 2 cents right now. I know a lot of us out there are looking for $1 the next bull run, so that's a 50x, and that's nothing in crypto. It's really not. It's amazing that you can get gains like that, but absolutely. It says here, after seeing its price double from the beginning of January to the beginning of February this year, Vechain sold poorly in March. The top altcoin lost most of its profits over the past 2 weeks, costing investors who opened positions this month money. VET is down almost 18% over the last 14 days, trading at 0.022. Despite unveiling new partnerships with global tech companies, the crypto exhibits bearish sentiment. Changely, a prominent provider of an on-chain data and price forecast, projected that Vechain could experience sideways trading in April 2023. The most recent price prediction indicates that VET could finish April by increasing by a few coins over the following 35 days, increasing by a few coins. As of now, Vechain has been gaining popularity recently. According to a report by Changely, VET is expected to have a minimum trading cost of 0.02399 and a max of 0.02599 in April. The same report also predicts that the value of Vechain might be around 0.02499 on average in April 2023. The Vechain Foundation has also recently unveiled its tech roadmap for 2023 and 2024, including plans for a carbon footprint explorer, a wallet browser extension, and an Ether token bridge. Then it goes on to read about Ripple and Collateral Network there. So pretty good article there. It's on Analytics Insight, and I totally agree with the Vechain and the XRP. As long as XRP gets the this court thing all wrapped up here. But here's your top 100 crypto bubbles. This is for the hour. Okay, the daily, you can see quite a bit of red out there. Just did a COSPA video a little bit ago. But for the hour, boy, it looks like we're turning a corner here on Easter Sunday. So getting a lot of green popping up out there. So here's your crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is down 0.4% over 24 hours. Volume is up 8.8% over 24 hours, and Bitcoin dominance is up 0.34%. The crypto fear and greed indicator, we're at a 61, and that's where we were yesterday, still into greed. Here's your top 100 cryptos from CoinMarketCap, your top gainers and losers. We'll go down through these so you can see. I find it kind of funny here on the left-hand side, a stable coin, 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 and a stable coin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of your last 8 are stable coins as far as positive price action today. So let's get into this Vechain. Vechain here. This is on the 4-hour. Let's put our lines back on here. We hit that price target for the ABC that we put on here the last video. We were, I don't know where we were, somewhere in here on price when we put this ABC up here. We hit that price target, so we're going to get that off there now. We just wicked up there and caught it, and it looks like we're hitting major resistance right up. We're going to put a line there because it looks like a very hard resistance level that we got rejected at there. Okay, if we put these RSIs on the board here down at the bottom, okay, I'm going to go through them here because looks like today's lining up for something. I don't know, boy, but Bitcoin, all the RSIs are at the bottom. We break that 29,000 and look out. Okay, the 4-hour RSI for Vechain is at the bottom. The daily's coming down, I believe. Yeah, the 8-hour is at the bottom, turning up, and the 12 is heading down. And where's our 1? The 1 is heading up. Okay, so that 4-hour, that's the one I like the most. It looks like we have found solid support here at 0.02375, and we need to break that resistance up at 0.02458. We break through that, and we're definitely looking for higher price targets here. You know, this could end up being a 5-wave up. We're gonna have to wait till this thing makes a move here, okay? But this ABC is now complete, so I'm gonna get that off there so we have a clearer picture of what's going on in here. All right, if we take a Fibonacci on this whole move, boy, this thing looks like it's ready for a break. It does. I mean, we have come up to that 786 now and got rejected 2 times off that thing. You know, well, we got rejected over here, and we made another run up, got rejected again. So we'll see what happens here. I think this afternoon is going to hold some pretty exciting price action for the crypto market. Let me show you Bitcoin real quick if you got a second, please, because it's super important to the whole market here with everything going on here. Let me get that wedge off there. I want to show you guys because I have alarms set up here for Bitcoin on here, and let's get a look at this thing. Let's get them lines off there. And you can see I have alarms set up here. As soon as we break that 28.8, boy oh boy, I think we're going to be tearing here. And if we look at these RSIs for this thing, if you got a second for me to show you, the 4 is just starting to head back up. Okay, I want to show you these because they are just lining up here. All right, let's look at the daily. It's just about ready to turn up. The 8 is turning up, and the 12 is down at the bottom. So these things are lining up for a move. I totally believe that. I think sometime by the end of the day, I mean, the market is turning green out there, right? On the 4-hour, Bitcoin is starting a green candle on here, all right? And what was it? Was that 12-hour turning green yet? Nope, it's still red, but it's drawing back up there, okay? It ran the whole way down. Ran down here, and now it's almost sucked up all of its losses, and it's almost ready to turn green. So I think this day is going to hold a pretty exciting afternoon here, especially with everything turning green. And if we have some major price action, I'll get back to you guys with a Vechain video tomorrow. But if not, happy Easter, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate it so very much, and God bless all of you. Thank you so much.